Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we are covering tip number 3 in a new series called Easy Momentum Tips, designed to, as the title says, get easy momentum in your life. So I invite you to think about one area of life where you have felt stuck or don't know where to begin and you'd like to get things moving and get some momentum, and just let that be in your awareness today as we go over tip number 3. So tip number 3 is entitled Expand Time. How to expand time. So if the area of life where you would like to get some momentum is a place where you've often thought, I just don't have enough time to do what I need to do, to generate momentum, to get things going, to figure things out. I don't have enough time. I tell you, I hear this all the time. We are going to talk about how to expand time and to actually understand time in relationship to realizing your goals and dreams. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And I do this by teaching them the one skill most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. Because if there's one thing I've learned as a coach for more than 20 years is that ambitious, goal-oriented people tend to have a unique set of behaviors and blind spots that cause them to overdevelop their hunter skills in pursuit of their goals and dreams, while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow them to welcome into their lives what they've been working so hard for. So that's what we do at Rise and Receive. We stop all the overdoing and we go deeper into understanding how surpassing your limits and shattering that glass ceiling is not about working harder. It's about training your awareness. So with that, let's go into tip number 3, expand time. So if you've struggled with time, thinking that you don't have enough time, too much to do, don't have enough time, understand this. It's never about time. Time is not the issue. Your consciousness, which creates your reality, is the issue. And the truth is, it's your belief in lack of time. It's your belief in this. Now, your consciousness creates your reality. This is one of the things that we go deep into understanding as we train our awareness to surpass our limits. And so when you believe that time is the issue and every part of your being is reacting to life from that place, you'll be right. Your consciousness will create the reality that you don't have enough time. So here's a super easy, super powerful tip that you can take into your life. I'm going to give you an awareness practice because we're training our awareness. And if you'd like to take some action to amplify this awareness, I'm going to give you a little tip about something you can experiment with. So the key to everything is training your awareness. So the hardest part about this is not working harder or rushing around to get more done. The hardest part about this is actually stopping to notice when you're in rush mode. That is the moment of power. That's when you can change everything. So you'll want to practice becoming aware of, I'm thinking not enough time, rushing. And if you can practice noticing and then just stop, come out of your trance for a moment and simply practice this affirmation. Here's today's affirmation from the Receive Oracle card deck. I wonder if you can see that. There it is. Receive time. The affirmation is, I am willing to have time expand for me. That's it. Every time you notice that you're rushing, stop, take a breath. I'm willing to have time expand for me. You cannot say this affirmation enough. I'm willing to have time expand for me. I'm willing to have time expand for me all day long. The hardest part is catching yourself. Stop, notice, I'm willing to have time expand for me. I love giving this to my clients. I always get reports about it's amazing, time expanded for me. It's in really fun ways to see how that happens. It's just amazing. You'll feel it. All of a sudden things will slow down for you. Sometimes things that you had to do will just fall off your calendar with no downside to it. It just kind of opens up. Somebody needs to reschedule something. You have this gift of time. Somebody takes something off your hands and all of a sudden, you have help and you have more time to do what you wanted to do. It works all the time. The tricky part is stopping and noticing. Now, with training your awareness, remember, ease and speed, surpassing your limits with ease and speed. With training your awareness, the thing to know, because you don't have to work harder, is, what was I going to say? I just lost it. Oh, less is more. So truly, this is it. Don't work harder. Don't rush around. Practice this awareness practice instead. Less is more. But if you want to amplify this with action, I invite you to either use a journal or text yourself and just write that down, or text yourself 10 times. I'm willing to have time expand for me. Over and over and over again. Start your day that way if time is an issue for you. Also, you can journal or think about when in your day, when in your schedule do you feel particularly rushed? If you can notice that ahead of time, jot that down, then you'll be prepared to stop and notice in the moment. But if you don't have that training or that consciousness or that awareness, it'll slip by you. So write it down. When are the busiest, rushiest times of my day? Identify that ahead of time and then practice that affirmation. I am willing to have time expand for me. So try it out. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. If you like this tip, please please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. I'll let you know each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to energize your momentum, because what we're doing here is we're activating momentum, but activating momentum is about getting going from nothing, right? I'm stuck. I don't know where to start. Energizing your momentum is about keeping things going. I invite you to save the date. Saturday, May 21, I'll be doing a workshop called Get Momentum Workshop. In a few days, I'll be releasing the link so that you can learn more and register. And with that, I will send you off on your day expanding time. Remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Have a great day, and I'll see you at the next Easy Momentum Tips. Bye.